1.
We're all familiar with batteries. They're easy to use and have great energy density, and they're portable. They have some downsides too, though. For one thing, they are quite expensive to produce. They also degrade over time, as anyone with a smartphone will tell you. They are not easy to dispose of or recycle either, and they're made with chemicals which are toxic and harmful to the planet. While they are a convenient option for day-to-day life, they are not an ideal solution in the long term.
2.
One of the advantages of pumped hydro storage is that it is a closed-loop system, meaning it doesn't need a source of running water. That makes it a very reliable source of energy, as it's not limited by the seasons. That said, the energy stored isn't readily available, as the water must be pumped up to a reservoir before it can be used to make electricity. What's more, a lot of space is required due to the sheer size of the reservoirs, so it can be difficult to find an appropriate location.
3.
Hydrogen energy is extremely clean, converting green energy into hydrogen without producing any waste. At the same time, the process of electrolysis requires constant power, which can be expensive if there is no access to solar panels or other renewable energy sources. Another point to consider is that the density of hydrogen is considerably less than that of a fuel like gasoline, and so requires more storage space to house the same amount of energy.
4.
The idea of an energy storage tower is an interesting one. One of the upsides is its simplicity. The system runs on such basic principles that it can be done automatically without the supervision of people. It is also an extremely cheap way to store energy, as there is little maintenance involved. On the other hand, the tower currently has little application in our daily lives and has not been tested extensively as of yet.
5.
Compressed air storage uses the same essential principles as pumped hydro storage, and as such, it has similar issues and benefits. One advantage of compressed air storage is the abundance of air in our atmosphere. However, very specific storage conditions are needed to avoid loss of pressure, salt caverns to be exact. These cannot be found everywhere, and so there are many instances where the benefits of compressed air storage are offset by unsuitable conditions.